everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and an unboxing of the NEDOECO gravity feed airbrush. I ordered this off of Amazon the other day. It was like 35 bucks, and I wanted to do a little bit better than the Harbor Freight one that I've been using, and I was told by a bunch of people, give this a try. So we're going to open it up and see what we can see. So far, pretty darn impressed. 35. Oh, look at this. The cleaners and stuff are in here. I don't know what the brass thing is. Let's find out. Comes with a nice air hose. That's the same air hose I have on my other one. What is this? Oh, it's a reamer. Look at that. Nice. Fancy little aluminum reamer. And then tip brushes and two little bags. Brushes and little reamers. So we'll be able to keep things fresh. Oh, there's directions in here. It gives a breakdown. How to spray. Fill liquid in cup after thinning properly. Okay, a parts list. I wonder if you can get the parts. Replacement O-rings and stuff would be very nice. All right, well, let's keep going. I'll read that off camera. Look at it. Let's go with Snicker bar fingers. I can't even get it out. Look at that. It's not, that's heavy. That's got some weight to it. Loose. Feels good. Airflow adjuster. We'll just open that all the way up because I use my regulator. And I imagine this controls, yep. If you look in here, you screw this out, it backs up away from that. So you can go more or less. Much less. This is very quick adjusting. That's cool. I wonder if I'll ever use it, but that's neat. Very neat. It's got a good feel. Oh, look at that. Tightens it up. Less and more. I like it right there. Very cool. Just a press-on cap. I've never had a gravity feed, so this is all new to me. I'm liking it. What else is in the box? What is that? A little pipette. I got a million of the bigger ones over there. Air hose connector. Okay, it has a connector for an air hose, but it comes with an air hose. That's cool. Okay, and I have quick disconnect fittings for this. I'll replace this with a quick disconnect so I can just click it right into the regulator. So that's cool. Nice fitting front and bottom. It comes with its own little air separator. I will never use this because I have one on there, but it's like, oh, that's what that's for, I bet. So you can hook this up with a little hose going up. So you'd need to cut the hose to be able to use it. I get it. So, but anyhow, that'll stay right here. Two different cups and another fitting. Oh, really? It's a little mini quick disconnect right up for underneath. Oh, that'd be nice for storing it. O-ring fitting, so I don't need Teflon tape. Check that out. I like it. Quick pop, and your hose is off, so you can just put it away with the hose out of the way. I don't know if I'll use that because, like I said, I use the quick disconnects down on the machine itself, on the regulator, so that I can switch from one air gun to another. But you know what? I'd rather just keep the hose attached there because this is a lot nicer. I'm gonna probably see if I can find a couple of these online for my bigger one. Okay, that's cool. This looks like just a tip cover. Yeah, that's what that is, to replace this one with the solid. Nice. This is 35 bucks. I'm happy as a lark here. 2mm and 5mm needles. I doubt I'll ever use 5 because I have the bigger one that I can just pop. Let's check this needle out. I'm gonna put my visor on here. Let's see what we got. That's not too bad. A little bit of mark on there, right there I could see, but not too bad. And that's the 0.2mm. 0.3mm must be in it, which is the one I will be using most of the time anyhow. Big mega cup for if I got to spray the car. Medium cup with, look at what's in here. Are you serious? It's got all the rebuild O-rings. That's nice. We're gonna put them right back in there because I'll probably never use this cup, and I know I won't lose it if it's in there. And if it's not, I will. All right, let me hook this up, give it a shot, see how it works. I'll see if I can't get the camera hooked up over there, and we'll take it for a test run. So stick around, and one way or the other, I'll either tell you or show you how it works. So I'll be right back. Okay, let's see what silver will do on black. Now this is not treated, it's not washed, it's got nothing. So if it bubbles up or whatever, that's just because I haven't prepped the... What if I do this too? Shut the fan off for a minute. And let's see what we get here. How about that? Not bad. I'm not pulling back very far either. Did that cover pretty nice? I think I could thin the paint out a smidge, huh? Let's open this sucker up and see what it'll do. Wow, that goes through the paint, man. Boom. Holy shmikeys. That laid it down fat. All right, so I'm gonna have to really watch. Let's do a real light, like I would be doing normally. Nice. Look at that one ran. I really dumped it on there a lot. But look at that. And that's over dead black. No primer. No nothing. That That covered smooth as glass. That orange peeled like, that looks like the model the other day. But that came out really nice. I went a little heavy on that one, but seriously, that is freaking smooth. Okay, I think I can work with this. Let's get it a good shot again now that we're tacked up. I like it. I like it a lot more than Harbor Freight one I had. Ooh, let's just play. Let's just give it a nice circle here. Move quick, move fast, and cover. Ugh, that really looked horrible. But seriously, this looks nice. I'm gonna do it a big hit. Wow! Over top of that stick coat. And I don't know diddly squat about painting, but I used it to cover. Everybody's going, quit it! But I'm just watching the air or the paint come out of the machine. I'm not really worried about what it's doing on the thing there, because I can see right now that is a million times nicer than what the Harbor Freight one would do. I could put 40 layers on that thing just playing with it. I'm gonna ruin it, but I'm happy with the airbrush, everybody. Let's we'll give it the test here tomorrow when I do my Chevelle again, and I'm gonna use this titanium silver. That's why it was over here. Let me clean it, and I will bring you back, and we'll cover cleaning too. Okay, we're back, all cleaned up, ready to go. The NEDOECO 2-stage gravity feed airbrush. I really like it, but proof's in the pudding. These two I was playing with, and to be honest, this isn't all the way dry, but honestly, it flattened out nice. This one, you saw me just crank the paint over top of it just to see how much paint it would throw with a 3mm needle. But the one part that I did take my time and actually try to spray properly, I should have done that on this one instead of the small one. But I got my visor on. I should do a show on this thing. I love it. But I got my visor on with the one down, and I am not kidding. Just by looking at the way that's laying on there, I can tell that this is much better than my Harbor Freight did. So, and no kidding, I'm looking at this one right now, and I hit it way harder than I normally would. I would have built that up probably with, I don't know, however, but this is 4 coats, light, just, you saw me, light coats. I did 4 of them on there, and it's perfect. I mean, it's glass smooth. And this one, I hit 1 coat really light right off the rip, and then I kind of blasted it just to see what it would do. But it laid down pretty smooth. It just kind of pushed the color, the metallic, around a little bit because I was too close and too much. But when I went and sprayed it properly, it sprayed really nice. Look in here where I was actually doing it proper, how nice and smooth that silver laid on that black. I did the same as in the front. And this is no primer, no prep. I didn't even wash it. I'm lucky it didn't all just curl up, because I've had it do that before. But this laid down smooth, very, very smooth. I'm trying to look for orange peel. I can see where I hit it too much paint and it moved the color around. But you know, I kind of expected it just like this. This is not orange peel. There's some junkies in here because I didn't even wipe this off. But it's not orange peeled. I pushed the color. When I did that first one, I put it down too heavy, and I pushed the color around. But man, it laid down flat, which is saying a lot for the Tamiya paint, because you shouldn't paint like that. But this, man, it's perfectly even. And when I was doing the back on here, I went across in little movements, watching this pattern, and I liked the way the pattern went. So, am I happy? Hell yes. You know what I'm really happy about is how quick this cleaned up compared to my Harbor Freight. I was out of there in 5 minutes, needle pulled, cleaned everything off, took the front off, blew it backwards, cleaned out the cap 3 times, made sure there was no paint left in there. And then I shot it one more time with just a little bit of water and cleaned that out. Then I dried that out, and then I hit it one more time with just a little bit of the airbrush cleaner. And dang it, it's a win. 35 bucks. It's definitely a win. So anyhow, I am Mark. This is the NEDOECO, I guess that's how you pronounce it, airbrush. You can do what you want with it, but if you're looking for a cheap double action gravity feed, I'd give it a try. Anyhow, you guys have a great day. Thank you very much for watching.